eguso ewon kwan esan se enye obia na enya no se de menu mienu enya no awie yi enu ti aseda bia wo ho a se etimi ede ma awurade edana se na ye hye ne din kronkron no anuonyam ewo ne waye ede amaye ti baby bia wo bia utie mi bia no me ma akwaba Eba Ofie Kwanso media so adom 106.3 FM. And now a Monday. And it happens to be the 25th of November. The aqua copim sebebo and reno nsia. Na fi the akana twaso. E ba cho week we mu so ye twaso. Said the last week ye no. Say ye betimi aboa ye ho na ye nyina together yetimi achieve more. What I say? Enti enei me pese okoso ana onimi disa nkita ho no eti hyase adwendwen ho na emom no wasem no bone tofa mame on obi a waye bibi de aboa wo ebetimi abase onipa akron enye wo ankasa in person eno yes ade ne de boa wo but we say na obi ekọ ahonyehiam na obi wa ahokyerem na obi wo tebea bi a ense emfatamu enna obi anka emfa no ho sa oni kro no hu say there bi the way I branch a braid, the way I buy way braid, the way I said the idea we air say, metimi a ye, metimi a for coin be so the aboa, and on the park boy save the situation. Oh, story bisa, obetimi a coswana on the arche. Still, GH, support your own. And one you go so about the rule edition. And this time we are looking at the positive aspect. Yeah, share the positive side, no. Yeah, share the negative side now. Yeah, pull him down. So PhD syndrome now. Helping to build up. Instead of be down and on air share. Timpacho was our amazing story be to say now I share with us and may more break a crack. Fa dream what the no na hu kwan ya be fa so betimi summarize na aye short and simple na wa frame na on me ache pacho the phone lines no said you nim dada no 0302 216561 of 0302 216562 timi fa nwu we mpa yanum we na fe ba ye me hyase mfa course no na yentie said the AC echo offer now mo so am Twitter no you know what to do. I mean, just get on Twitter. You can tweet at me at Jerry Justice hashtag no still GH support your own. GH support your own. So just about tweeting that one right now. Now so story no wait media to na dia to so na ye dia koye nim na bibia e kama na mama me mo nwu we fi se me ware me mo enwu ma me reda almost oh yes, it's true. Ever since I got married, me request my wife I didn't move on pay Uboni di already is because you could just add in. Yeah, now for so I have my pressure or Instagram say na e kwaso ya na me come shoot pictures na dey ato na my wife pictures na say my wife on pesa social media name za o there be on pesa name my week we dey me born my wife because week we na say me celebrating no and to anko see Friday no wedding birthday you know week we na it abna for we power no boy I'm double Hello, first caller. Good afternoon.
Afternoon, Brajeri.
That's the same.
Nyamia do mo Brajeri. Me ma utrim kwa o.
Me ti dasi.
Yeah, that's in Susa Wabisa New Mama no why.
Hey.
Nene dia radia ye. Or the young kwache. And at the Abisan to Nyamia ye. Wamo aware pa mame. Na me sorry no Jerry. Me sorry ni say. Me kotena baby. Na ye to me Brajeri. Me too many me ni baby amefa. Me su ye papa. Ehwa me frame me nue bi. Eno ye madom. No send me say say awo me nua. Ji no fa ko pedan. Ye tina money wo ma. Gradually me ni me ma fo. Na ye ni baby e betina. Obi uncompleted. Gradually senya nyame a na ka dey fine. Ewo bi man so. The radius what.
You. All right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, trust me for the next person yinti or no so. Sorry. Hello. Sorry. Let's try one more time. Hello. Uh-oh. I didn't swabbing. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
It's the same.
Bajo me tia kasa.
If I try from saying,
Bajo me disturb me kasa fi Madina.
Brad Steven Kasarai.
Brother, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Brother, me person me no share stories is here.
ETA story no.
All right. Yeah, nyame nam no so a wa brabo emu no. Se me da ho gina ha na papa na do. Papa no nyidi ndi Reverend Edward Kobna. Nyame my 14 we do from. Brother, bra me wie school na me person me ko school biom na me nim ye ye me. Na school born me. Then nam sa papa yi so ama papa be family from me ma me e ko tra ni nchen. Ama enne me smith me wie e church. Me da ho ye me complete me ye me come final year. Our networking na me den yade ase. E me tena aka cheja me say on sharp papa ma me. No ma be bi our papa na kuma so bia emre mu me ra mo ase.
Amen. Yes, we are that was a pa and they also the buy. You trust your fan next caller. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Frost saying.
That teacher knew Samantha.
Aqua by it you.
That's the Mamicia or Namicia with Tifo. Madam, a story no. Yetia. Last week, now kind in Cranche. The Mr. Juma, young boy. Na akonfobi we am 2007 and I'm so far the friend IT frimpon so and I'm saying dinner na so na me dem say awie ni na no san say that time 350 million na say atam afiwu akwala ketwa ho a the next mood me din ho say e ka me din ti me ye ne den ntimi ma me nkwa ensi wo ho ana me say them 7 days I mean, the demon, no so. My dream is that me would be on son of my daughter, and I cut a manum. She said, me tell me how come they are. Papa, so a bomb pie, mammy. I must say, you need me trim of a bomb upon mammy being. Jerry, so shall we come? I said, you may have to prison bed 34 years. Nanyamia dom, and my papa, me free, Miss Asson, my sing. Nothing, let me jam and answer. Then I'm papa. Adoma nyankopon enam so de dom ne na me da so atiase na ene se ye kasa na me kasa bia na ye nyame adom ane sa ye pai IK frimpon.
All right.
Reverend Adam.
Yeah, that's it. On show on so na yen to aso na yen koye nim. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Patrick Frost saying.
Respect ni.
Patrick yiti wa se no.
You koye me so obi abua me pa na me yare fiti men collaborate na yechima hospital wo sabe we are seeing na no na ma me ne mo kwa sela program no nti da ko bi na one me ko na yechi papa bi wo kwan mu no bi ta ma me se den na ye abofra no so ne yefunu na o mama ne ma me sam nechi o kama me eduro bi a Jerry do at Bakuna America me from no no quite many minutes. Na papa no ye fa no uncle Yesu. Na be bia wa ankamu aya apam Johnson. Nyame nhyira no no ya nekase. Jeri senye papa na dia na nkamu so sabe menka acha se foso. Nyame nhyira no.
Amen. Yes, we da se pa. Yeah, for Fred Ford. Hello, good afternoon. Hey. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Patrick Frost saying.
Pastor Francis like I say.
Francis here too.
Brother, nipa bi aboa me e wa brabo mu a. Se man ka na man se di en Nyankopon kwanpo e bebisa me. Na this man e fa me free baby a ndiga so bie ni. Bra me we school JSS. Am better man ba kontin o ye na adwen so de mbesu adwuma. E tran nchen brother e ton cabbage oba bema besia be so cabbage di coaching left and right. The bia so umanya mfama nkosu adwuma. Nti man yi beto cabbage bi and wo hu me just like of farm keke me nimi Nyankopon e de farm so na se me nimi wo hu me mu a man yi farm de me kwatra na fie de me tu adwuma mu amen na mesu adwuma awie ai na me timi de me se simi buka se me hu adwuma me bie me shop me ba adwuma nti se na me gina ha na afọ akwa sika me de na se bebre o ba bia Nyankopon e nam no so e de ma bedu me de na se pa ba ja we.
Yes, we are da se pa for sharing this with us. Me pa cho betimi akọ Twitter sisia. Me Twitter handle na at Jerry Justice. JERRYJUSTICE at Jerry Justice. Yes, on Twitter. Na also o story bi eti say ya ana wo bibi kan fa de ye hu a obetimi e de akọ. Na mo wa na wa hashtag GH support your own. GH support your own. Into there, just get on my TL on Twitter. Ube say my tweety about GH support your own. My trobi bika crowd there to Cecilia. Me post you and Chabia. It bet me so na conversation and coso on Twitter. Cecilia at Jerry Justice. JERRYJUSTICE. But don't forget to hashtag GH support your own. Yeah, for last two calls. Hello.
Hello, Jerry.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
Oh, my minion, my cup music letter. The two you on your behalf, Mrs. Spencer. There's a new world somewhere. They call it the promised land. And I know I'll be there someday. If you could hold my hand. Da, da, dee, da, 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 da. I don't know what I do, but I know I never touch another jelly like you. Jelly?
Jim FM.
Jelly?
Yes, madam.
I don't know that.
Me pacho I.
There's a new world somewhere. Da, 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 da. And I know I'll never get another Mr. like you. Yaman come where?
You, yeah, that's one council. Nina kaunayama. Yan for last caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Patrick Frost saying.
Patrick Regina.
Regina and Patrick with you.
Patrick Obi Abuam like me on Facebook. Although not your financial sound market. Kakana one me ya any the other boy me kama. Malaysia I'm listening here mama get a better for mama like me juma ni bibia ya pasa. Until I come to me now being na kasa I'll be to me abona kai be me the fa. Bibia me fremo line in the day. Radio do ma to mama me. Me to be like obi to me abona ti. Or you
You, Yasi. You be sure the bill. Why? Yes, mo. Intimate for free baby. Last one you're fine. And young fancy na yen to us on queen. Your friend evangelist diner as someone. Unyame tumfo. Ekuya Bwediwa on Twitter says, "Good evening, Jerry." Was evening in Muntem. I'm Bwediwa. I'm really enjoying the show. A big shout out going out to Obuade and Anase and yourself. And thumbs up to the production crew. Not forgetting my dad, Wafa Yao, shoe doctor, community 1, Tema. Community one Afra. Yeah, fast the man. Guaranteed trust bank na for you. We are make sure some way do to for an area. GT Bank, some can't say, they say, a salaried customer with GT Bank and Kwandia. Christmas, baby, I've been here to sort out some few things. And they wouldn't problem. It's as we're introducing quick credits at their bar. Now, quick credits and more, I'll bet me a borrow up to 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. Into the file phones is here, and star 737 star 0 hash. Now, what selected payday credit? Now, if you agree to the terms and conditions, then you enter your, PIN. Now, I confirm it. I feel we say requested amount, no. Yeah, okay, so open. You be credited at their GT Bank account at the amount. We yan chichi mu ekwechira. Fred GT Bank was 0302 611 560 and now free toll free 0800 124 000. Quick credit, instant cash, anytime, anywhere. Me find sha and my Ejuma form New Crystal Hospital. Ewotema Community 8, New Crystal. And that's a phone and Ejuma phone na especially to Ethel or Paribia Donko. And I face Sarah Manson, Abigail Ama, Francisca, Jill Brown, I face Veronica, Ejay, Sanso and Laurentia, Akaku, and Dr. Comfort, Aguada, Mobo Juma Panya Mishamuna. Na Oparibia say and Chasonko and call Emma. Ne mama ne papa. Mrs. Regina Donko. Na fe Mr. William Donko of Tema Community 25. Sarah Mensah so say and Shankoma. Mrs. Vida Paddy and I fe Gifty Asari and Abigail Ama so say and Shankoma the Church of Pentecost Newtown District 49 Tema Newtown District 49 Francisca and also say and Shankoma Mrs. Edith Amwate and I fe Mr. Alex Amwate Thickness Alice Jedu. One day. Bibia be fine. Nyami beti you. Evelyn Otiejumedio of France, also Jerry Masresa. Yeah. I mean, you read it. Good afternoon, Mr. Mensah. Please kindly wish my mom, Madame Esther Yeboah, a glorious 53rd birthday for me. I ask for God's blessings upon her life and also make her happy in all the days of her life in the years to come. And yana Auntie Esther, happy birthday to you. Yeah, from here, Asana from Wabanonso, Eugenia, Na Lamle Chomenya, Mrs. Wishing you a happy birthday. Auntie Esther Nyamisha non count. Onya wakuma swadi nyina ma e o Yesu di ma. Jerry, kindly wish Melinda Ampa Kosa a belated happy birthday for me. We feel Nana Kwanta Bisanchen. And it's your birthday today as well, Janice. Janice quite sorry for the Church of Pentecost. Tema Community 1 English Assembly. May the good Lord bless you. Na ombo wadi yin name. Ewo Yesu di mu. Ade na san baby. Asan baby. But still obo. E den obebo. Aish, atiafa so. Atiafa so. Afi ade na atiafa so ba. Aba. I can't get see MTN and I feel call bank. If I shot someone, yeah, the 8 on phone. I will feel conjugated so I don't 106.3 FM. And the MTN semi can just a pause and chill promo no. A Temupa. Tune so far, Jimby. What's me? We need an all expense paid trip to Dubai from now till the 30th of November 2019. It's you phone about *567# and then mash up to see and build the point. Just keep talking and browsing with your pause mashup bundles. Which means we need both headsets, KFC vouchers, 4G devices, mobile money, shopping vouchers, as well as extra incredible rewards every month. Let's send a check at the call 567 and now we use MTN Pulse app now they are check-out points our building so far. MTN Pulse, just be terms and conditions apply. We did for you everywhere you go. As they do on here from Cowbank. As they say, or the Cowbank agent banking outlet are back. And to say, just look around in your neighborhood. You can bank over there. And when you saw driver about town, now what do baby our bank branch or now we do a main banking hall. And so what me a transacted business with Cowbank. And it will be to me in your neighborhood or any of the Cowbank agent outlets. No, MUBM. Which me could be a Cowbank snap account or make a deposit, withdraw cash, what transfer funds, what your bills are doing at any of our agent outlets in your neighborhood. We have further information at visit www.cowbank.net. Wait, Mr. contacting via email and your customer care at cowbank.net. Sounds my bit me afraid to free line. And no 0800 500 500. Cowbank agent banking, your neighborhood bank. You will quit me in Adama. Every national city as someone you did to your home for and the area. All right, and as someone I did to your home for you, so no, very simple. Or say, never be ashamed of yourself, but rather be proud of yourself for how far you've come, and never stop pushing yourself to be the best you can be. TBMU. Never be ashamed of yourself, but rather be proud of yourself for how far you've come, and never stop pushing yourself to be the best you can be. Remember when you men ferry ho say wo de untimi ye hwe o mo bra bia wo de on shedan ya de bia sa one kasa as I say utimi feel proud of yourself. Be there so be proud e be kan say hwim wo de wa ho say wa wo ye wa what I say won susu di mu bi won ubun kompo hwe wachi baby a wo hye ase ni baby a obedu na you should be able to feel proud of yourself. After all, you can. And you're more only almost say right from the beginning in Nana, so if you are still surviving, you should be proud. Obi wa first day na won Saturday na once we are the same hospital, but one survive we. Ebi kura ye wo na condition ye do question incubator ni ade aba wo survive obi e wo na no den so some few days we what survive till now. Onya ade you should feel proud. And tell my man for success has been more much intimidate you my own case what their own can be. Why? Feel proud. One cause appreciate yourself. Looking at where you came from and how far you've gotten to in this life. Sometimes tap on who will show that I say and pounds why be. Stand in front of the mirror and look into your own eyes and say to yourself, say, hey you, why are there? What I say, pampa ho kakra. And also in chess a man kawa. The last bit no or say never stop pushing yourself to be the best you can be. Tu guswa o tape ho kache wa ho se won so ya de. Won so atimi abobra ni bi no. Na o bo moden a. Na o ye de obetimi aye bia. Na de o ye no so o hyem kina o tum nkyene. O ma moden bo na timi akọ nanim ye. Se de be ya ubetimi aduru empempenso a ekron e wa brabo yi mu ebe yi nyame te ase wate emo abamumu. Never be ashamed of yourself, but rather be proud of yourself for how far you've come, and never stop pushing yourself to be the best you can be. We need somewhere to your home for and the area will Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM 9 minutes after Time now so say the Paul ne silence etwas until real quick yanko fan twas na fe wi a yemfa de aka enso so kusuti adom 106.3 FM
to Bonnie music.
Openi Kwame Edu atena se enti na watwe nso yenhwe said the Paul ne Silas obra kwantu yi. Baby a ombetutu ade akopem. Openi mo anon kwe.
O my de hye yemajo emmakwaba. E de ba Paul and Silas dwumadi so. Media ni Openi Kwame Edu ametiaja ba kufi e wa ablekuma. Na watwe atwa mu no. Ekoba ase na enya no krese Paul enya AC no enti na esese omutua amanfo sika omde be ye omo adom no ema wo mu na nti agya ba ekoye se omunko pa adwumanye eno nti da kra wiya bi Paul and Silas e de omutri dom omunante ya so omo kwa akopa adwumaye nanso omo anya bi eni nti omo de awerehwo esan ba fie
ne ho ye fadodo one ne yire ni nyina hwe
you grey and ordinary CNC.
Oh, share. Now, 70 me find me bomb and horse for him. I say, be a
no, horses and horse. Wow, share. What did it?
Na engagement, no cry her engagement in a picture back on ye, and ye.
Wow, share. Oh,
her name na come, my dear.
Henry the Ephemer.
Engagement in quite dear new. Wow, my Miss Franco, what did Indian and her?
In all grey, there's decorations, not your own one capa.
Eh, baby, yeah, and yes, it. Sure, Sakot way. Maybe son and nibble. Or catch him say, 70 million.
Atade ba kwa be se
70.
Oh granny oba no Oscar.
Ana na me kra dem na me susu ho akere ne se wedding de nipa mienu entamu asem yen ayaka no ye ya hoho ne eja resoti ka wante so
ogre ja asem we ya wo kan die ene tete honom na na se mo kono boko
pa na mo he be picture William wedding no.
Okay, me chawo.
It is Silas.
Na me na dem okay.
William wedding no.
Wow, she. Ye.
Pa Wilina.
Na hu na de heavy fe.
No.
Na wo koin.
Very.
Na say nya hu nya.
Ah, Paul. Wo heavy.
David.
Baby no asua.
Ah, me sua na am gwen na ni de amasa.
Silas baba ha de.
Me nko ba bia besin ye ko dem.
Oh, Grandfi Paul, he's just jealous. Now, me wedding dear. Bema, ube worry me no one woman who can say ya. One my decorations na expensive, a glamorous wedding dear. I'm mama dear. Hey, mean to me worry.
Sir?
Oh, Grandfi.
Ah, ne say
ho. If you say ye dear.
I don't say who swim Paul.
Ne say bia to mani. Na o ka say o worry Bema onye sika nya de we ya. Na de na be so.
That's why men can boni Bema de ube worry me. Wow, hwe me twin na hwe me so na
phone. Awade. Enya wadi no. Eye tirasem.
De o kan ye no kre. Anu na make a che willy say. Anko wo monte so.
Oge na ko dem.
Okay, wait there. Willie, you why no banner dear. Why are dear pa? Hey, wedding there was all Obahoka. Man, when ye fena obi who say, your way wedding a dear. Nay, see.
Not him now, yes, Coco.
Yeah, anyway,
Hebe into him da. Miss Moe my babe. No. Pasam sunya. Yankupon nti anhwem na mam yanku benyin tabu de. Baby into lusu. Also problem ababa no kan into lusu.
Ewiasion. Da minya sika. Mejimu na minya sika. Baby on. O de fasan baby enso nka. Meme na hu se enne eye bosom ye den. Ye duamu bayre.
Nde.
Menya sika ware baby on. Abe o sesini.
Benya sika ware baby. Ole mtu fante kwanya ska forward mtu mbwa mendi da mkwasa samen benya ska
ara na mwame
mbwa na mfaso na menya fido
na se menya ska memo get mine
wa ma yo get mine
ha memo get mine no ahwe fie onyina na mimini baby ya tena dem kakra idi na say hey Silas boy na wa bana wa be yes sir
so what am count ten da so de dwuma bia yedwuma
mema 1000
pe 1000 wa there
1000 ya de ya den
na say pure champo nya 2000
Unim 1000 America.
1000 man. Now also 1000 be no also 1000 be.
Make 10 million. 10 million obabe. Ubi approaching. Na me rem. No I mean yes sir boss. Yes sir master. Oh master have you eaten? Yes please. Thank you. No I baby. Oh yes sir madam. And no can me 1000 on pay.
1000 no. Yeah 10 million.
Oh ya me foul. Me pesa de.
Oh master boss. Ebe.
Oh ya me pesa de no.
Him da ha man kunu mutu mai da medwin. Ebe boss. Mpocho. Ai.
A check of it.
Yeah,
my foul.
Thank you.
You know, we start to Juma next 5 years.
Anymore.
Hey, Dine.
Dan for now of wasting. Me uncle be so pio.
Sa. Oscar.
Oh, we shana. Obo Oscar kaka.
O adanfo. Wa o janwe. Yanko de yanko hu ogre na yene ne nkeka.
Mumu pese mude edan foforo na yen de be ma han no mumu kwa akofo obi de na ba betnem mo ensi ne ensi kina da na muka se yeni mo wa yen hwe na no yeni mo wa yen hwe na
no ekokre woni mo wa be hwe na wona so na sa ofa mu wa be na wa hwe na wada
sesen na no me ne wo fa tu kwan ya ba ye no makwa akofa ayi sinitwafo ba betna fie ha na ye ensida dabi
oh okay asa wakoma wosro wakoma wosro
ebe wosro efese na mu de mu ye manka hwe ene no masan ba beboso mu kofo obi abetena dan nim so obi ba betena dan nim bo agese mu wofa akwantu a wokọ no wa bansan adwene ho enye mo ena me bema mu de obi abet ensida
okay o ye ne sana about environmental studies
wudi pa wudi matam
dabi
me momenta
dabi
enye ye biem da
okay me mo fadan
enye me funu na ebe de no from fefete mu no so na fun bedi ye de se bedi
me mo fadan me enye yi no ma enye dan ne sa yonko me pesa de no
enam se wo niwa eya akese na ehunu ba bia nti ebla salas enam kwan mu a okwa akopɛ aduane ato no wohu abrante bi a otwika na se di ozi tutu nani no na nani aye ne ntoto no salas ehunu se abrante ohiamboa
boss
brother
Mr. Omba me bisa question kokra
bisa
yeah me by area ha che but so many years it's been long but you me hear papa be ejabeku yeah
ejabeku so many years it's been long Onimbi.
No, I mean me pay ejabeku fie
now I can minimum not too much
all right so you know the house do you know the house unim ni fie no
minimum ebe yana me ken not too much sisia
fine ebe house you come and sit inside the car and then we go
Obaham pa
no ebe house betina say na
da bi yanko okay the motor match come if you boy down the whole free I be down yanko
empenyisi humenisu maminti na chimienu nam achimienu nam yana achimienu nam bona chimienu nam yana chimienu nam
hey the junction no that for we say you fan junction ya
all right
Messi if you ho emina me hwe bibia ho me to bi o
really
emina me ya carpenter if your mama ya mason mama ya mama ya was foreman agent mama ya bibia na no po yes dan foforo ho man na me fra contractor fi me krom anamabo mo ba be see dan foforo na was ho e padan da
interesting
what gina
why
abanta na ba not fi obi Paul Paul blah
asem
you be oba hide dan
na wan kan atimi
na hwe drive ni me so oba hide dan
oba hide bi
who's cool na hwe kai wafa abanta me ni fi ho fi obi bia me nye ne ye if you renew ha ono ho se fi renew busisi a ono obe dade dan ne de ye benu ye dan hwe really mama kan Paul na no hwe fi ho ye bibia Paul you should know we school. You dan nine. Nanka mo. Wafa. Paul. Hey. I really you dan nine na miss my hide.
Salas. What my dear chain one thing.
You really had nine the abi fear na.
Salas chain one thing certificate no. Na chain one thing.
Paul ni so hu abrante awufie ho anyanyam bia Paul nim bibi surunku bia obi anim enti na ma na nyi kra yana ebre ene nkra bia na bekire wochina so obo ade dom yen na ade pa bi kyen ya ahaya ene hyiame ne tie mu yie ade kodie ntia Paul ni nyi no media ene opani kwa medu ametaja ba kufie ewa Ablikuma makramo
bye bye.
Yeah, anyway,
His name is Dasebre Jamina. At our middle name, and we are Hofe. May his soul rest in peace. He calls this one Watch It.
Jim FM.
It's anything.